What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and welcome back to another market update. If you enjoy this style of content, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. As always, none of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Okay, so as you guys can see, the market has had a very nice move since my last market update. Bitcoin is back above 110,000. Ethereum is back above 2,800. And if you look at Ethereum, the bull flag that I've had us drawn in for a long time has officially been broken. I've been telling you guys to watch the 200-day moving average for weeks, and you can see that we have had a very strong close above this level. We actually closed at $2,816. This is the exact kind of candle close that we needed to see for Ethereum. So right now for Ethereum, I'm looking for either a continuation candle or a retest off of the 200-day. If we come back down here and retest the 200-day or these previous highs, then that could be a support and resistance flip. And that would not be a bad look at all. That'd actually be very bullish. But we also very easily could get a continuation candle to the upside. Either way, Ethereum looks significantly better than my last market update. My last market update was during the Elon Musk Donald Trump drama, and you can see that we had this massive red candle right here beneath the trend line. But we didn't get a second confirmation close. So again, ETH looks very good. But if you look at the crypto market in general, especially meme coins, you can see that a lot of meme coins are getting nice bounces. And the volume is actually starting to return. PEPE, for example, is back over 1 billion. It's 1.2 billion. In my last video, PEPE was around 600 million. But a lot of the meme coins that I cover on my channel are also bouncing. You can see Kokoro is back almost at a $25 million market cap. You look at Miggles and it's back at a $35.4 million market cap. You look at Hoppy and it was under 10 million and then it bounced back over 12 million. But in general, a lot of the high caps are also getting nice bounces. This is exactly what we want to see, and this is what you can expect when you have an Ethereum breakout. Obviously, Bitcoin breaking out is not going to be bad for the market. That's going to help. If you come over here again on CoinMarketCap, you can see Bitcoin dominance right now is at 63.1%. It has actually dropped slightly after Ethereum started to break out again. We want to see Ethereum dominance continue to climb, and we want to see Bitcoin dominance continue to drop. There was a point in time where Bitcoin dominance had went back down to like 61.9%. But that was when Ethereum ran from around 1,380 up to about 2,700. So keep your eyes on Bitcoin dominance and Ethereum dominance. Now, if we do take a look at Bitcoin though, because again, it is going to have an impact on the market, I still am very bullish. One of the biggest reasons is because of M2 global liquidity. I show this all the time. M2 global liquidity has been breaking out since January. And if you go and backtest through Bitcoin's history, you can see that it almost always front runs breakouts. It happened right here, it happened right here, it happened right here, and it's happening again. And there's a chance that we see an even bigger explosion from M2 global liquidity. And then if you pair that with the monthly time frame, this is where I think Bitcoin looks excellent. So we have had two very strong candle closes in a row, and the most recent candle was actually the highest close that we have ever had. And as of right now, this current candle for June is looking like a strong continuation candle. This is exactly what we want to see after two strong candle closes. And the reason that I think this could keep going is because of the stochastics. The stochastics still have a lot of juice. So don't be shocked at all if we see Bitcoin continue to rip. And naturally, if Bitcoin does continue to rip, it will probably bring Ethereum up with it. And the higher that Ethereum goes, the better that our meme coins will do. If you look at the crypto fear and greed index, you can see that we are starting to get greedy again. We're up at 72. Obviously, when you are up in that greedy range, you need to understand that the reality is nothing runs forever. However, 72 is not like we're up at 91 or 92. A lot of the time before pullbacks, we do see this climb all the way up to extreme greed. Now, is it guaranteed to happen this time? No, it's not. But just understand that we are greedy again. Make sure that you guys are always taking profits and being smart, especially if you're in significant profit. But then the last thing I wanted to show you was watch your guru. So you can see 1 hour ago that US inflation rises to 2.4%. And then 2 hours ago, President Trump finalizes trade deal with China. Now, I'm not going to sit here and talk about this, but once the tariff drama officially ends, that could also be very bullish for the market. So this whole situation is something to keep your eyes on. But that's about it for the update today. The market is looking significantly better, especially Ethereum. This is a very strong breakout for Ethereum. But if you guys are interested in joining a like-minded community and getting in a project super early, then I always recommend taking a look at my Discord. We've been printing in here pretty much every single day. We have hit some massive multipliers, but if you look at the crypto gain section, we are printing literally almost every single day. Just like this post right here. I'm so bullish I'm borrowing my first 100x. But if this sounds like a community that you'd like to be a part of, you can find the link right here on my YouTube homepage. I'd love to see you guys in here. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments how you guys are feeling about the market. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.